If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Besan Modak. Ingredients required are 1.5 cup besan or chickpea flour, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, half cup clarified butter, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and modak mold. Let's start the preparation. Keep one thick bottom pan for heating. Add besan flour. Dry roast besan for 1 to 2 minutes. Here I am using laddu besan. It is not too fine, it's little coarse. Now we have to add half cup of clarified butter. On medium stove heat, we have to roast this for 20 to 25 minutes. We have to roast this until besan becomes golden brown in color. It takes 20 to 25 minutes to become golden brown color on medium stove heat. It's 10 minutes now. Besan color has changed to light brown. We have to roast this for another 10 to 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. You can see besan is coming together. I have kept stove heat to low. When you see besan comes together like this, we have to roast this for another 5 minutes. It's 25 minutes now. You can see besan has become golden brown in color. Switch off the stove and take this in plate or any tray. Allow this to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. It's more than 20 minutes now. Besan has cooled. We have to add powdered sugar. I have taken 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and ground it into a smooth powder in grinding jar. Add cardamom powder. Now we have to mix this well. We have to mix besan and sugar evenly by rubbing with our palm like this. Proper mixing is done. Now we have to make modak. Take modak mold, add besan mixture, close it and press it well. Press this properly. Modak is ready. Like this I will make some more modak. In the shown measurement we can make 22 to 25 modak of small size. Simple and delicious besan modak are ready to enjoy. You can store these in airtight container for 2 to 3 weeks. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.